Good morning, everybody. We are here in Las Cuevas fishing community or fishing area, fishing bay in Las Cuevas, and we just passed Maracas. We want to show you this beach. We've been here before, but we couldn't walk on the beach because it was during COVID. But check this out, guys. I remember this beach and I love it. This little fishing community here in Las Cuevas. Good morning, good morning. Happy sunrise. It's not even sunrise here yet. It's now like coming up, but check out this amazing fishing community. I love this place. I love this place. And again, we are here in Las Cuevas fishing community. Beautiful, beautiful place here in Trinidad. Going through the mountains. And right now the water is the water is high tide. So, look, I'm gonna get wet actually. I already got wet. I'm pulling up my dress so I can walk on the beach. So check it out. The last time we were here, the guys want to take us fishing and going out on the beach, cooking on the boat. Next time, definitely next time, guys. Look how beautiful this morning is here in Trinidad. All the boats. Whoa. So beautiful, isn't it? Our captain friend live on top there, on top of that hill. And it's just this time we don't have much time to go out with the boat and cook, but next time definitely. Whoa, look at all the boats. Good morning everyone. We left very early this morning, very early to beat the traffic that's going out to Port of Spain, since we are coming from Freeport all the way to Maracas Beach. We already passed there. We're going back there in a little bit, and then we're going to our friends Pearl and Shah's farm right here in the mountains of Maracas Mountains to spend the day, and then we're leaving to go back this afternoon home, or to Freeport. But see how beautiful this is. Good morning everyone. Good morning. And whenever you're here, these guys always have fish, fish here. Get your fresh fish. I remember when I came here the last time, and they had fish and all that good stuff. This time we didn't bring a cooler since we're not here to buy fish or anything, since we're traveling. We don't need. But check this out, guys. That's so cool. Tommy, you come up to take video? You came up to take some videos? Oh, look at the chickens.
Boys are all afraid of the camera, but they said they're catching kingfish and the boats are coming in now.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Boy, see how high the water came up? It's high tide right now, so that's why we can't really walk up. But how pretty this is, guys. Take some, like, higher. Daddy get a seine here. This is all the big seines to go out. Morning. Hey Johnny, how are you doing there? It's nice, right? Did you walk out to the beach? It's really nice out there, isn't it? Yeah, it's just so beautiful. Such a beautiful place. No one, actually the fishermen are coming in now. Some already came in and people came up and buy up their fish already. Those big containers are full of ice and fish. Tommy's out there actually taking some regular pictures. And this is so nice. We want to take a quick, we drove up here just to show you guys this. Because so I remember it when I came here the last time and I said I can't wait to get back here. I love this place. I love it, I love it. Tommy, you ask the guys what time the fish boats are coming in?
They're starting coming in now.
Now?
They'll start coming in periodically. They're all starting headed this way.
Okay.
They've all been out most of the night.
Okay,
One boat
okay.
just came in, so the other boys will start coming in.
Okay, okay. Are they waiting for the water to get down the river? Maybe?
They're all, yeah, just hanging out waiting.
Yeah, yeah. Awesome, I love this. All right. So we're going to head back now to Maracas and then we'll be heading to our friends. I'm going to show you a little drive on the way there.
A couple of guys wanted to talk, but they said they have too many girlfriends and didn't want any more because they don't want the girls to see them. They start coming over here looking for them.
Yeah.
So they said, we don't need any more girlfriends.
Yeah, I'm going on the regular seat. Where is the kitty? Hey, hold this, then.
Alright. You getting settled in?
Yeah, yeah, just 1 second. Let me put the seatbelt on. Scary drive in the mountains. Scary drive in the mountains. Johnny, look at the little kitty. Hello, Mr. Kitty. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, girl. See you later. See you later.
That looks like Angelique.
Yeah. Did you like that, Tommy?
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah, I really wanted you to see that. It's such a little cool, you know, cove of fishing, and everybody there is so friendly. And I can't wait to when we come back, we can go cook out and go fishing. Bye, guys. I wonder what they're eating over there.
Just unless they're selling something on it.
I don't know.
Yeah, there's doubles if you like it.
At least I get one on the camera, you know. See somebody selling something here. Good morning. What do you guys have today? Doubles? Doubles and potato pies, guys. Yeah. Ask them if it. Yeah. Says a food channel. Yeah, we want to come out to get a video. There we go. Alright, we're stopping to get some doubles and aloo pie. Let's get some doubles and aloo pie here in the mountains of Maracas. And we're here in Las Cuevas, actually, in the mountains of Las Cuevas. Let's see.
Yes, just
you want to get double?
Yeah. What do you guys want, Tommy?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't want the aloe pie.
Aloo pie? Okay, got it.
No pepper for you, right?
We have some
You want to have it now?
sweet
Yeah,
sauce
yeah.
and have
Well, for him, put sweet sauce.
cucumber, salabeni sauce.
Tommy, show. I want him to.
Well, he's gonna make a couple.
No, not really.
Okay.
Yeah. And a little bit of sweet, yeah, the
Sweet
shadow
sauce,
benny
shadow
sauce and the sweet sauce for Tommy. But
What
for
about
me,
cucumber?
put, yes, cucumber sauce.
We have roast pepper and regular pepper.
No pepper.
No pepper for this one. This one is for Tommy. Look how good that's look. Oh, actually, that's yours. Here,
No,
give
that's
him
the one. I want pepper on here. You can hold it for him.
Okay.
Okay.
No tasting.
Yours.
They're mine.
Yeah.
Wow,
So
those
what
are
is
nice
your
and hot.
stand called?
Okay, so John.
This is Kenrick
He wants
and
aloe.
Alu.
Kianet.
Kenneth?
Kianet.
Kenny.
Kianet double.
Oh, K&S Kitchen. K&S Kitchen doubles and aloo pie. You also sell aloo pie?
Yeah, I work with him.
Oh, okay, okay.
You want pepper? You want everything?
Yeah, he
Medium
wants
pie.
everything.
No cucumber.
And this is #1 street food here in Trinidad, the doubles. You can't go anywhere and not have doubles. You have to have doubles or aloo pies. The pies and the doubles. And especially when you're in this area,
Regular.
shark, bacon shark. So we're going back in Maracas to get bacon shark. Sure.
You want that?
I want a pie.
Pie?
Yeah.
And Johnny wants one too.
Yeah. Thank you.
What Johnny wanted his pie.
Yes. But in my son's plain.
Okay.
Oh, John wants one, right?
Yes, but not.
Plate, nothing in it.
Yeah.
That's enough.
Johnny
for you one
wants
more.
some hot sauces and so?
Can you ask her to come out?
That's enough for you one more.
Yes, I want everything that comes.
Ask him to come out. You can say what he wants on it.
This is mine. So I want everything you put in it. This is the aloo pie, guys, with cucumber, shadow benny, roasted hot sauces. And what is this one?
This is sweet sauce. This is
Sweet
Palm City
sauce. Palm City sauce, guys.
Pepper?
Yes, pepper for me.
You want yours like that then?
What about the regular pepper? You want that too?
No, maybe not. Okay.
Bag it?
Yes.
That's sweet sauce, cucumber, shadow benny sauce, and pepper.
Okay, everything but the pepper.
Everything but pepper. It's still gonna be a little spicy, but very tasty. K&S Kitchen, doubles,
Tell me how
fresh
much you want in
doubles
there to make
every
sure it's
morning, and aloo pie. So you're here every morning?
Yeah, every morning.
Every morning, guys. Okay, fresh breakfast when the guys come off from the when the guys come off from the water and the boats. Right here, they have some fresh doubles and pies.
Sweet sauce, please.
All right. No pepper.
No.
Here you are.
I have a little sore
Thank you,
throat.
thank you. Mmm.
A little.
Yeah, that's it.
Street food here is the best. The best street food is in Trinidad. I'm telling you.
John's gonna take the
If
first bite.
you on camera, you can.
I gotta find the bathroom.
Okay, done.
Oh, okay.
Are you gonna eat yours? Remember how he eats it?
Yeah.
Watch him how he eats it.
I know how to eat it.
No, like. Oh, that's not how they show me. Then grab it and
You
then
go like this.
yeah.
Yeah, man.
It's messy. It's gonna be messy anyway.
Yeah.
Especially for us where we're not accustomed to eating.
Ooh, you did nice.
Nice.
All right, good job.
Thank you.
Okay. You can just stand here and eat these all day.
Yeah.
We don't have this at home.
Okay.
No.
That's
Where
right.
is from?
Florida.
Florida. All right.
We can have it if we go to a restaurant like a Trini restaurant or something, which
Yeah.
is only a couple there. Like in Port Lauderdale, we have Joy's Delight,
Okay.
Joy's Roti Delight, and then there is Kobanka, Curry Kobanka.
All
So
right.
they carry the doubles. But still, it's not the same like when you're in Trinidad eating the street food, you know? Yeah. Awesome, man. All right. So we're going to Maracas a little bit, and then we're going to the
You
mountains.
all have a nice day, right?
Thank you so much. Oh, you got paid, Tommy.
You gotta get the man the money.
Yeah. So nice, guys. So I have my aloo pie. I'll eat in a little bit. And thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
No problem. Welcome.
I can't wait. I haven't gone beyond here. I can't wait. Next time I come, I'll go beyond here and go all the way around.
Check out the view over there, man.
I saw. Oh, the sun is. The sunrise is here, guys. Sunrise is here. Got a beautiful view. We're early, but during the day, all these little shopping and selling areas is open, but we're really early right now. But look at the view there. So pretty. The view is so pretty. Ooh. The view is so nice, right? Huh? Yeah. Okay. Hey, you're enjoying life, right? This is what life is about, right? Enjoying. No filming is wanted. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Okay.
He's wanted by all the girls.
That's what the boy says. They said they're wanted by all the girls. Yeah. Okay, let's do this. You ready, Johnny? Yep. Okay.
Sunrise over the mountain.
Guys, look at the sunrise over the mountain. It's so pretty. Pretty that is, guys. Isn't that so pretty and gorgeous? So luscious. I really can't see this in the.
Raise the glare up a little bit. There you go.
Yeah. Still can't see this. All right, so let's go. Let's go. Bye, guys. Bye. Thank you. Thank you. You also. Hey, Johnny, hold this for me. I know.
Just gotta say the obvious here. I hope you filmed it.
Ow. I can't sit on one side of my butt cheeks because it's all swollen from a spider bite over a week ago. And but we'll be home soon, so we'll take care of it then.
Yeah.
And this is Las Cuevas, like a park. This is a park, guys, that you can come in the day.
They have a washroom?
Open but I'll assist them.
Thank you.
Oh, John is going washroom.
Yeah, you and I walked by.
Okay.
Museums are out.
If they open with your glasses.
Okay. Johnny, go with her, okay? I'll go with Uncle. Go with Uncle. I'll walk down to the beach.
You gotta assist John going to the bathroom. Steve, make sure you say thank you. Assist.
Alright, we'll walk down here to the beach. We are in Las Cuevas. This is Las Cuevas, like a park, right? Where people can come and hang out. Oh, car park. So it's a Las Cuevas car park where you park and you. Oh, nice. To go to the beach and all that good stuff. Let's see. Let's go check out on the water on this side. So pretty here. Wow, snack bar. So you get a snack bar. Everywhere is still closed because we're here extremely early. But check this out, guys. Wow, look at this. This is the beach. How do we get down, Tommy? Where? Where? Okay, well, let's do this, guys. Let's go and walk down while John is using the bathroom. Oh man, I can't believe this is right here, you know, we never came. The beach looks so nice and clean, right? You ever came here?
Yes.
Oh, you came here?
Yeah, came here almost.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, in and out, wow. So where do we get down? Over this side?
Yeah, let's go up.
Okay, let's go walk and check out the beach. The beach there though. And one thing with the beaches here and the forest here, or the rainforest, or the jungle, or the bush, there's so many like trees, but fruit trees like mangoes, pomerac, chinette, dong's tree. They're everywhere here, everywhere. I can't wait to come when it's like when it's fruit season. I bet all the fruit looks so nice, you know, on the trees. Gosh, mangoes and coconuts, just so much is here. And people are here now putting out umbrellas and all this good stuff. Getting ready for this beautiful day. Nice and sunshine, nice and sunshine. Look at this, let's go, let's go. We're here in Las Cuevas beach. Oh, wow, so pretty. Whoa, 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 look at that, look at that. Tommy, did you even know this beach? Look how pretty this is, huh? Lifeguard on duty, but not right now. But that's nice, they have a lifeguard and everything here. This is so awesome. Let me know in the comments if you have ever been to this beach. Let me know in the comments, okay? This is the Las Cuevas beach. We just passed Maracas and we came down here to go see the fishing village. And then we discovered this beach. I didn't realize this was right here. Wow, this is awesome. And you know, this place is kicking on the weekends and during the day because of all the huts we see, all the food huts and all the umbrellas, and so people put out here, man. Look at this. Wow. And you can come bathe here. The water is not so rough, so you can sit here and enjoy this. Look. Oh my goodness, look at this, guys. Good morning from Trinidad and Tobago. And we are here in Trinidad in Las Cuevas Beach, in the mountains here in Maracas. Wow, what a beautiful beach. How is your pie, Johnny? How is your pie? Let me see, let me see. It's good? Whoa, nice, nice, John. Don't get your shoes wet, you get a long day. I love this, I love this. Oh! Right, Tommy? This is so nice. It's easy to get to, and you can walk and not get blown away by the rough waters or anything. You can walk out on this beach for a while and still, you know, it's still so smooth and nice and not so, you know, which is great. You can sit and play. You got one? What did you find there?
Got a sand flea.
Wow, wait, let me spin it around. Wow, wait, get it for, wow, that's a sand flea here. Show it, and these are good for bait, right?
Yeah. Oh, water.
Ooh. Wow, good job on finding a sand flea, Johnny. I know, right? Gorgeous, gorgeous.
Right out in the water.
Huh? Run? Oh, he got hold this.
Yeah, chase the wave. You have to see how close you get to the water without getting wet.
Okay, okay.
You run down with it, then you got to run back up. All right, run, run. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Wait.
You lost the game already.
She lost the game already. Now you run down to it. It's close to the ocean without touching it. Now you stand there. Now you stand there. Now turn around. When the wave comes in, you got to run away without getting wet. What a nice spot.
It's like there's tons of rough water, so it's perfect.
Yeah.
You can walk so far there, and it's not very rough, guys. This is a great, great beach to come and hang out. And plus, there's a car park over there, and you can all the street food around here is now opening up. But I would love to come here in the midday or the weekends where it's really busy and just check out things. Oh, got the coffee too.
Oh, he's ready. See, he's showing you how it's done. All right, you got to go all the way down.
No, he's looking for
The bees.
Oh, you're looking for
The
sand flea?
sand
He's
Oh.
looking for sand fleas.
He's saying he gets crowded on the weekends. I bet. But you got to come early, then nobody's here.
Yeah.
Johnny's happy. He didn't want to get out of bed this morning.
I'm glad he came.
Yeah. Beautiful spot.
What a beauty, yeah.
We found some really beautiful lagoons, huh?
Mm-hmm. You're looking for treasures?
Sometimes you'll find little tiny shrimps underneath the straw.
Thank you guys so much.
Is that an almond tree?
Yeah, that's an almond tree, yes. I mean, all the fruit trees that's everywhere. Oh, what did you find there, Johnny? Wait, wait, wait. Oh, you lost it.
Little guy.
Yeah, Tim.
Oh, that's a little one. Little baby. Sand flea, guys, sand fleas.
Those are bait.
Good for bait.
Here comes the boat, getting the fishing boat.
One of the fishing boats is coming in. Thank you so guys for being part of our morning. Good morning, good morning. Good evening, good night to all our family, friends around the world, to our kitchen family around the world. This is Sandy from Sandy's Backyard Kitchen. We are here in a beautiful Trinidad, here in Las Cuevas Beach, enjoying the sunrise here in Trinidad. Loving our stay. We only have like a couple more days and we're leaving this week. But we had such a great time. Thank you all for all your support and for sharing our page. Check out our YouTube channel, guys, under Sandy's Backyard Kitchen also. And we have some amazing videos there. Leave a comment as you're getting on to there too. If this is your first time, leave a comment and shout out where you're from. I love when you say which country you're from. If you are from Trinidad, since we are vlogging here now, shout out where in Trinidad you're from. And if you're living somewhere else and are from Trinidad, let us know if you've ever been to this beach. Such a beautiful area. Love you guys. Stay amazing. And we will see you again later.
Are we going to be at Pearl's property at the mountain? The farm?
Yeah, so we're going up into Pearl's property. It's in the mountains, on a farm. So we're excited. We've been there before. And I really want to show Tommy this place. We're excited that it wasn't raining crazy, so we could have come today. The only reason it took us so long is because of all the rain. You don't want to come up the mountains and so with so much rain, you know, because of mudslides, and it could be dangerous. But we're very thankful for this weather today. The sun is coming out, and I can't be any happier, okay? Love you, and thank you again, and we'll see you later. Ready, go, Jenny?